You guys want to see something really stupid? Yeah. Whatever. Hypocrite. Hi. Welcome to the channel. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. I'm SB Mitch. If you like what's going on here or you want to see more stuff like this, remember to hit the subscribe button. That's on, it's not in the movie. It's down below where it says subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you are subscribed, then welcome back, pal, or Reno. Hey, I want to give a huge shout out to today's sponsor. Nope, hold on, let's try that again. Reshoevn8r. Did I do it? Oh wait, it just says Shoevn8r. It's actually Reshoevn8r. This is the water and stain repellent. This is one of the many products that was so good they decided to keep going with it in the rebrand, and this stuff works like crazy good. Like, I'm sure you guys have seen like clips on social media or other YouTubers, and even myself. Like I did a YouTube demonstration of this stuff on my When Pigs Fly SBs where I put soy sauce on them. Soy sauce would definitely stain pink suede, but I figure it'd be kind of a neat thing to spray this stuff on a very, very absorbent thing and see how it works. So I sprayed this on a paper towel. Here's how that went.
Wow.
I mean, you really don't have any reason to spray rain and stain repellent stuff on a paper towel, but hey, paper towels are supposed to soak up any liquid that it comes in contact with, and this stuff repelled, that's the word, repelled the liquid. So hey, if you want that to work on your sneakers, like, this stuff is totally legit. So check it out. Find my referral link down below in the video description, and you can find the Reshoevn8r water and stain repellent and any of the other awesome products they have for keeping your sneakers clean or protecting your sneakers like this stuff does. So again, find my referral link in the video description or go to reshoevn8r.com. And remember, they do free shipping in the US and they also have free returns now. So Reshoevn8r, we got the hits. No, I don't know what their motto is. I should probably Google it if they have a motto. Hey gang, it's we got an old-fashioned haul series video today, so here's the Rafiki thing. This first thing is, I got this a long time ago. It's been sitting here for a while, actually. Comes to our good friends from up north, Parlor23. Definitely check them out, parlor23.com, at Parlor23 on Instagram. If you guys have seen any of the Money Cat stuff that I have, that's from Parlor. Dude rules. And they always give me extra stuff. Dude, that's so cool. I actually ordered a t-shirt, but they gave me a little bag of extra stuff in here. We got a Money Cat. Is it gonna be reflecting? Here, hold on, let me see. Maybe, I don't know. It's a Money Cat air freshener for your car. We got a Panda iron-on patch. Oh, I've never seen this one before. It's a little stork holding a Money Cat. That's very cool. It's an iron-on patch as well. And then, yo, these wooden things, it spells out, this is what I think it is. Yeah, so he did a bunch of team logos, but with a Parlor twist on it. And this is the entire set. It spells out Parlor23. You got a Philadelphia Phillies, Anaheim Angels. This is the Tampa Bay Rays for the R. Got the Los Angeles Lakers logo for the L. Loco, I said loco, whatever. Got the Baltimore Orioles for the O, and the Kansas City Royals for the R. So it spells out Parlor, and then it has 23 on the R right there too. So, but this is the actual t-shirt I ordered, a Champion t-shirt with the Money Cat on it. I think the colorway was called Cotton Candy, but this is the Money Cat that's on there. It's not, it's like this kind of different hue on it. I don't know. It's Parlor23 rules. Check them out, parlor23.com. They always have really cool stuff that comes out, and they're like, their shop branded things that come out are always super, super cool. Thank you, dude. Parlor23.com. Check them out. Hey, guess what? The rest of this haul is all SBs. So first things up, we got this from Soul Supremacy. I did a bundle deal with them. We got a Dunk Low Pro in a size 11.5 from the teal box era. This is a 2019, yeah, last year release. I got these because the pair I have does not fit. These are a slightly worn pair, but they are in absolutely phenomenal condition. It's the collaboration with artist Piet Para on a Dunk Low Pro. The leather on these is absolutely crazy. Very cool. They came with the extra laces, so that's very good. You got a lot of interesting designs and colors going on the swooshes and on the liner, even on the lace tips and the branding on the tongue. So this was part of the deal. I got these. These are actually going to be staying. And then the other pair I did, because we worked out a bundle deal, this is a Nike SB Blue Box release. This is from 2009. This is a colorway I'm not a huge fan of, but I realize other people will be a big fan of probably. So I probably will not be keeping these. This is the Nike Dunk Low Pro in the asparagus colorway. Now, you can probably see why it's called asparagus. They had this super nappy suede on the side panel, a lot of brown suede, especially on the mudguard and on the ankle and on the heel counter. These colors put together, just not a huge fan. These are used as well. This is one of the very rare Nike Dunk Low Pros that has a thin-ish tongue. It's not super thin, but compared to the normal width on regular Dunk SBs, like that's considered a thin tongue. Nice little accent on the insole, the little skull dude, which I think is very cool. These are just wild. I'm not a huge fan of the colorway, but there's a lot of details and a lot of really nice aspects to this shoe. So I got a heck of a deal for these from Sole Supremacy. So even when I'm not buying beater boxes from them, I am giving Sole Supremacy money. This last one is something I'm very much looking forward to. We got a gold box Nike Dunk SB. This is from 2008. This is a size 11.5. This is going to be in these bins behind me very soon. I got these from a dude in Familia. Very cool dude. Jordan, thank you again. I really appreciate it. These are worn, but they could pass for dead stock condition. This is absolutely crazy how good of condition this pair is in. This is a Nike Dunk Low Premium SB. This colorway is called Newcastle Brown Ale for obvious reasons. If you know about Newcastle Brown Ale, I mean, they nailed the colors on here big time. So blue leather swoosh, nubuck and suede all over the upper. Even the outsole has this like kind of goldenrod-ish color to it with a brown outsole. These are absolutely insane condition. He gave me a really great deal on these. These are one that I like always kind of eluded me, and then the more I saw them, the more I'm like, man, I wish I had those. Never owned them before. Thank you again, Jordan. Shout out Familia. This is a very cool pair of shoes, and this is absolutely crazy. I'm very, very much in like with these sneakers. So that's it. That's what I got this past week from places. Definitely go check out Parlor 23. Check out Sole Supremacy. I don't really need to plug them because everybody knows who they are. And thank you again, Jordan. Thank you again to Reshoevn8r for sponsoring this video. Remember to go down below to the video description, find my referral link, and it'll take you to Reshoevn8r's website where you can check out all of the great products they have for keeping your sneakers clean or cleaning up your already dirty sneakers. Big thanks to you as well for watching this video, because this video doesn't really have much of a premise other than me showing you stuff that I got and plugging Reshoevn8r. So, Beater Box Friday this week. This is the last beater box I have unless they release some today, which they might, so I don't know. I don't know. But the box is really good, so see you soon for that. And until next time, remember, take care of each other and make it fun, because sneakers are supposed to be fun. Bye.